Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, Madam, Sir. My name is Rochelle de la Rosa. I am 37 years old. I am married. I have 3 children, 8, 12, and 20 years old, and I am college level.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family needs and and to earn money for my kids' study and future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, Madam, Sir, I had working experience in Saudi Arabia for my first employer for 2 years and 1 month, and my second employer for 3 years and 1 month as a domestic helper.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, ironing, going to market, car washing, gardening, and all household chores.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, Madam, Sir, I took good care of baby, newborn, children, and elderly.
Did you take a Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I took care of a baby newborn by feeding, bathing, changing clothes and diaper, also sterilizing baby bottle. I took care of children by bathing, feeding, assist them in their homework, and sometimes play with them. I took care of elderly by bathing, feeding, assist them by walking, and remind them to take their medicine and going to clinic.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Aside from taking care of them, I can cook Filipino dishes and willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, and I can take care of pets like dog, cats, or bird.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a good domestic helper, it's necessary to be loyal, honest, trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking person.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Um, Hi, Madam, Sir. Please choose or select me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, um, flexible, and hardworking person. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.